Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is Design and Construction Features, Part 2. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda, and stick around to the end for the bonus questions. Our topic, Design and Construction Features, for aseptic processes, comes directly from 211.42. Design and construction features for aseptic processes in 5 words. Buildings support aseptic manufacturing conditions. In the previous video, we focused on the main facility and building requirements in 211.42. In this video, we will do a more in-depth review of the requirements for aseptic processes. If the drug product requires aseptic processing, the design and construction features of the building must include the following: smooth and hard floors, ceilings, and walls that facilitate cleaning. Second, an environmental monitoring system that controls the temperature and humidity within the aseptic area. Third, an air supply filtered through high-efficiency particulate air filters under positive pressure. Fourth, cleaning and disinfectant processes and procedures for the equipment and the facility to maintain aseptic conditions. And then finally, preventive maintenance and cleaning schedules for equipment to ensure that aseptic conditions are maintained. For more information, check out the FDA guidance document titled Sterile Drug Products Produced by Aseptic Processes. Current Good Manufacturing Practice Guidance for Industry. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, aseptic manufacturing areas are designed, constructed, and validated to maintain aseptic conditions. Second, aseptic manufacturing areas have the needed environmental and contamination controls to maintain aseptic conditions. And then third, the required preventive maintenance and cleaning schedules are defined and executed on equipment and facilities to ensure that aseptic conditions are maintained. So how do I know it's not working? First, my aseptic manufacturing areas are outdated and/or they don't meet the requirements for aseptic manufacturing. Second, I have multiple out of specification or deviations for my environmental controls used for my aseptic manufacturing areas. And then finally, I have multiple deviations for failed sterility tests or other microbiological tests showing that my contamination controls within my aseptic manufacturing area are not adequate. And now for the 3 bonus questions. Do we have any aseptic manufacturing on site? Second, if yes, have we had any confirmed OOSs on our environment or related to our contamination controls in that aseptic manufacturing area? And then third, how do we qualify operators for working in the aseptic manufacturing areas? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.